One word for the team, I will say relentless. Everybody has put in their heart into it.
Gross margin. The EBITDA margins have been consistently improving.
नहीं ट्राई क्या होता है करना ही पड़ेगा.
I don't know if it has already been said before, but yeah, danda maro.
And always a rant.
I think it's the people who show up every day doing the unglamorous work.
Genuinely, we make too much of a hoo-ha of, is this a female leader, is this a male leader? I think it's just a leader.
I think describing the women in Climax, I'd call them Power Rangers. We've gone for so many roadshows. I don't recollect meeting women as much. Like, I think 95% the people we met on the other side were men. And I felt very happy and privileged that from our side, it was majority women.
It's not just one team, it's the entire company dancing on a very well choreographed song. That's how we can achieve this.
I remember the only meeting in my life I did and able to end saying thank you, ladies.
No one has slept on Friday night. No one has slept on Saturday night. Everyone sat in office and worked non-stop for the 2 days.
To like the women leaders out there, right? Don't be afraid to claim space. Don't shy away from expressing your opinions. It is better to speak than to not.
What works for one person may not work for the other. It's essential to recognize that and be wise to pick what you really want. So you'll have to find that balance. And as long as you have a great environment at work that supports it and understands and respects it, you'll find your balance. You should not try to be someone else. You should find your own balance, and what works for you may not work for someone else. So just stick it out and find that balance. And once you do it, it becomes easy and you can refine it over a period of time.
I was in a different world altogether. If you ask anybody in CleanMax about me, I am a person who would want to get clicked and each and every occasion. But I don't. I was yesterday only talking to Kuldeep and I told him, yaar, we don't have a proper pick of bell ringing. So he made me realize, yaar, you were so much into that moment that you forgot even about getting clicked on such a big moment. So that energy was something else. I cannot describe it in words. Even today, I think of that moment, I get goosebumps.
But I think the best ones were at late at night in the office cafeteria with like the whole team. Seeing the enthusiasm, the energy, the the grit that people bring to this process, the amount of like food and laughter, all of that stays with me. The podium at NSE, right? The bell rings for net zero. Through the IPO process also, yeah, a lot of the team was women, and there was such wonderful female energy through this process.
I think the fact that a woman cannot lead a position like this, which is very demanding. Finance is in the blood of every woman. Talk to your mother. How do you think your household will get managed, man? Come on. They're built for this. Women are built for finance. So to say that it's a male-dominant field, fact, but surprising, right? Like, all of our households are dominated by females, lovely mothers, lovely daughters who are just taking care of us. And we've never even had to worry about a penny. If that's not top-notch finance, I don't know what is.
I don't think we could have done it without each other's support. Really silly works we've had to pick up some. It's sometimes really boring. People have picked up some extra load, but other people, we've all just made it through. As a team, we just motivated each other. I have felt part of something so big, and it was just surreal when we actually did it. It felt like, wow, we did this together. So it was really, really so touching to be part of something so big, and it's been an honor to be part of the IPO team, honestly.